people say that I don't know how dangerous it is on a motorcycle, man. That's why you got to keep your wits about you every fucking moment when you're on a bike. Like, even though I do the motor vlogging and I have fun and all that sort of stuff, at the end of the day, what I'm doing is fucking dangerous. Any lapse in concentration, man, it's just, you can die. Like, that's hands down. And you start getting afraid and everything of being on the bike, man, that can pretty much ruin your fucking riding. Ruin your whole riding. Or should I call it career? I don't even really think it's a fucking career, but if you want to call it a career, it's not like a job. She's on the phone, she's talking, she's smiling. There's no one in the passenger seat, so but that can pretty much ruin it for you, man. Hands down. If you start getting afraid of riding and people pulling out and stuff, and one crash can do that for a lot of people. Like, I've been down a lot of times on dirt bikes and stuff. Touch wood, I've never been down on the road bike. It's not something that I really fucking actively go out to do, to be honest with you. But there will come a time that it will happen. Something will happen and I'll end up dropping the bike. You know, it's not a matter of if. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of fucking when. Everyone who rides pretty much comes to their senses with that, and pretty much comes to peace with it. We know what's going to happen. We know what we're doing. We know that we could die. So when people who don't ride turn around and say, you know, you don't know how dangerous it is, or, you know, they send you fucking smash compilations of motorcycle crashes and just how easy things can happen. Why? Why are you doing it? Because we know damn well how fucking dangerous it is, man. And at the end of the day, you can send me a million fucking crash compilations. I know how dangerous it is fucking doing this. And this is why I do these videos. You know, they're fun and they're you know, for entertainment purposes as well as learning. You know, I also teach newer riders and people who haven't ridden bikes, or again looking into getting into riding bikes.